Hello, well, I said I was going to do some videos on the way the new app works because, hey, you need to know how the new app works because now we're all on the new app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into sections, and this video is how to search for loads. There are two ways to do it. Now, we'll do the basic one. Now, your basic one, you see the tray at the bottom, you've got 5 things on the tray at the bottom. You've got home, alerts, quotes, bookings, and more. Now, the first 2 are the ones that, well, maybe the first 3, because once you've quoted it, then it goes on to quotes. But how to search for actual load, the easiest way to do it would be from alerts. Now, you may or may not have alerts turned on. So the way you turn alerts on is you click home on the bottom left-hand corner like that, go to the icon picture like that, and then you go to, I'll move that away, what's that doing there? Go to the top middle, it says settings. Go to settings, go to push notifications in the middle, and then if you click on push notifications, banners and sounds, when a new job comes in, it'll ping up. It'll go, bing, Milton Keynes to Dunstable. You live in hope. I'm in Bletchley at the moment. I don't tend to have that one on because a lot of the time it pings, and if I'm at home, it drives Lisa mad. So, but for the sake, but if that's what if you wanted to push notifications when sometimes I'm driving, it goes ping. I can actually comes up on my watch. You go like that. You go, oh no, good job there. Because we've all got to be safe, haven't we, really? But I tend to avoid push notifications. I tend to search it when I want to search it. But that's one way of doing it. I'm going to turn it off for now because it might complicate things. So what we do is you go back to account, and so we go to home at the bottom, and I'm going to go, you didn't have to do that, you could have just gone to alerts. Now this will show at the moment, this shows all the alerts that I've got in my area. So what I now do is I go through the alerts, and I work out the ones that I want. Before, I just used to leave them on there. Oh, there's loads of jobs there. You go bang, 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 none of which I could do. So now, for example, I will look at this, the first one, Northampton to Dagenham. That's no good to me because I can't go into Dagenham because I know Dagenham is in the zone and I haven't got cameras. So I drive to Dagenham, that's going to cost me 500 quid. Now, you've got 2 options. You've got 3. You can either leave it where it is, or you can swipe left like that. You see the is that swipe left or right? That's swipe left, isn't it? I'm good at this stuff. You can see the little delete icon appear, or you swipe right and you see the little star icon, which means saved. So that one's no good to me. I'm going to delete that. Bosh. Hayes to Leamington Spa. Hayes, also in the zone. Left swipe. Bang, delete that one. Bedford to Caerphilly on the 15th, dropping on the 16th. I've got a job for next week. No good to me. Sorry, Dean. That one's going over there. High Wycombe to Watford. Now, let's say I didn't have this job coming up on... the other job might, I'm thinking, oh, my Wycombe to Watford. That's a potential. So what you can do, you can either leave it where it is, or you can swipe right to saved. And then that means later on you go, oh, I've got the jobs on there. And what have I got saved? I'd say we'll do that in a minute. Let's just do this bit first. Right, Hounslow to Feltham. Hounslow, no good. It's zoned. Delete. A Harlow to Hounslow to Feltham. It's just reappeared. No, can't have that one. Harlow to Knutsford. It's on the 16th. I've got a job for the 16th. No good for me. Letchworth to London. Once again, it's in the zone. That one is already sold, as we can see by the red things. There's no point in me looking at that one. Bedford to Caerphilly, not happening. We're deleting that one. Bedford to Swadlincote, I have a job for Monday. We're deleting that one. Slough to Troon. It's a long way away, Troon. Sorry, my friend. Which leaves the one that I'm actually bidding on at the moment, which is Bedford to Saffron Walden. I have rung them. They said they're waiting to hear back from the customer. I'm hoping to get it, but sooner or later, I'm starting to think that's a magic job. Doesn't exist. So then you can go to saved. You go, which ones have I saved? Oh, I saved that High Wycombe and Watford. So what you could do is you could go, right, these are the jobs I want, and then save, these are the jobs that I would take if the ones that, like you ever have this much choice, if the ones that I want don't come in. So I saved them. They're a definite one. They're a maybe. You could do it that way. You do you. Finally, if you delete it, you think, hang on a second, I deleted that job for Monday, and I need that. Because they've just rung and cancelled. I've got booked for Monday, so you go to deleted, and you go, right, job's booked for Monday. That one there, that one going from, I don't know, Monday's the 16th, isn't it? Go down here. Bum, 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 bum. 15th, 16th. Let's say you wanted that one. That Bedford to Caerphilly, that actually suits me now. Then what you do is you swipe again. See a little green thing? Bang. And then when you go back to inbox, more have appeared. Well, that's good. Yeah, Bedford to Caerphilly's come back. So you go, oh, right, I can bid on that now. I'll have a go at that now, that kind of thing. So that's one way of doing it. That's not good to me. That's not good to me. Right, so the other way to do it, go to home, hit that button at the bottom, and you see that thing called search. Click on search, and now you can either specify your current location or select location. So say I want to know, I'm going to Chelmsford. Let's see what's coming out of Chelmsford. Chelmsford, there we are, bang, Chelmsford. And then when you want to, also, if you listen to CX, this is something else, a recommendation. I will now go on a 30-mile radius, so when I get to Chelmsford, it will show me jobs in a 30-mile radius, 18 tonne to 7.5 tonne, because they're the jobs I tend to bid for. This bit, you can bid any time, 10 today plus 10 days, today, tomorrow. I really wish on the app I really wish it either said Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, as it does on the mobile version, or there would be one that says today, tomorrow, Monday. Because the amount of times I'm on a Friday, I don't want to see jobs for Saturday, I want to see jobs for the next working day. If you're listening to this would be really useful to add something here. But alternatively, what you do is go select dates. Right, so I want to see dates for Monday. So that from Monday, confirm that's between Monday and Monday, because they're the dates I want to see. Hit confirm, hit search, see if there's anything coming out. Oh, there is stuff. Unfortunately, Erith to Southampton. Now, you can't do the swipey lefty right thing at this point. It just is what it is. So, Erith to Southampton will be no good to me. Tilbury to Portsmouth. It's possible. Harlow to Knutsford. Colchester to Northampton. Hello. Let's see, that would be lovely. If only I could have picked my Bletchley job up this afternoon, I could have dropped it in Colchester. And Ryan Jamie said that, you're too tight on time. I'm never going to get there, get it off, get to Colchester, get it loaded by 8 o'clock in the morning. It's got a booking time of 12, so... But there's... I'll have a look at that in a minute. So there are your two options. Like I say, at the bottom, you either go to alerts, you can go to home. On home, there is also this thing called journeys. Going future journeys. I know Tony used to use it all the time. I don't like it. I just find every time I've tried to use it, it pings up confusing jobs for me. I prefer to do it the other two ways. But you do you. So that's how to search for jobs on the new app, which is still a little bit glitchy, but I still reckon it's 10 times better than the Noughts and Crosses old ones. And I do think particularly that search function on the home thing, I absolutely love that. So hopefully, now you know all that, you'll find your jobs easier, which will make it easier and better for you to take care and take money.